What's up, Adventure Buddies? Welcome back to Cooking with G Muffin. Here we are gonna have some fun with funfetti cakes. Woo! But first, cue the intro. As always, remember to wash your hands. For this week's recipe, we need a few ingredients. First, our funfetti cake box, 3 eggs right here, 1 cup of water, and a ½ cup of oil. Now we preheat the oven to 350. Now let's pour this into the bowl. Now you're gonna add 1 cup of water and a ½ cup of oil. Perfect. And now 3 eggs. All in the same spot. My favorite part, let's stir. Next, let's spray the pan. Check out my cool Scooby-Doo pan. Scooby-Doo! Now we're gonna pour it into the pan. Now let's put it into the oven. Alexa, set the timer for 35 minutes.
35 minutes, starting now.
Now it's time to wash the dishes. Don't tell Mom. Now let's pull it out. Now let's wait until it cools down and then we'll ice it all up. Now let's add icing and sprinkles. And now it's time to add some sprinkles. And for some little detail, we can put eyes and ears and a nose. And maybe a collar with a mouth. Because it's Scooby-Doo. And thanks for watching another episode of Cooking with G Muffin. And remember, life's an adventure. Who are you going on it with?